In this video, we will solve the puzzle number 18, matrix body background color this and margin 0, display flags and justify content space between. For display display flags. Okay, and height goes to 80 pixel, 80 pixel, and width goes to 80 pixel. Okay, and margin 10 pixel. Okay, and अपन को चाहिए क्या है, इधर से तो चाहिए तो टॉप और लेफ्ट रेडियस, बॉर्डर रेडियस बॉर्डर टॉप लेफ्ट रेडियस 100 पिक्सल 100 पिक्सल 100%. Okay, well, good. F A B C and D, and div div A उस- mm, box box shadow 10 pixel and 10 pixel. ये हो जाएगा 0. ओके, and here this goes to 90, not 100. Okay, this looks nice, looking nice. And color goes to this. Okay, background goes to this again. No, background goes to this border. We good, good, look nice. And again border radius 0 pixel, 200 pixel. Okay, nice, nice. Color goes to this. Okay, and and div div b, background goes to this color. Okay, and box shadow box shadow goes to 0 100 pixel 0 pixel 100 pixel, and color goes to this. Nice, looking nice. And 0 pixel and 200 pixel, color goes to again this, looking nice this. Mm. And ऐसे अपन को करना है C and D. This color goes to there, and the color is this. Looks color, this color is this. Okay, let's submit it second time. Result goes to here. 100% man, 600.39. Okay, thank you. If you have any problem with your code and learn about something, please drop your comment and share your code for more information. Thank you.